Welcome back to stage number 4 in the Edmit Career Pathfinder tutorial series. Today's video is going to be about choosing a career path and how to follow it the best way for you. When we're ready, we can go ahead and click Start. As I mentioned in previous videos, what I'm going to do is read the 3 highlight concepts here, and what I'd suggest you do is pause the video, take time to read the rest of the information, and if you'd like to learn more, you can always click the Go Deeper, read the full guide link between the back and next buttons. The first phase today will talk about narrowing in on a particular career path. Number 1, while you don't need to choose just one career now, whittling your list down to a handful of possible jobs before you graduate can be super helpful. Number 2, the best way to start is by ranking your career list and identifying what your top jobs have in common. And then number 3 is being honest with yourself about what working your dream jobs would entail, and consider asking experts for more info. I'll then go ahead and click Next. The next page will introduce the concept of finding the right education and training programs for a given career. Number 1, if a 4-year college degree is in your future, consider a school that fits your personality and your budget. Number 2, community colleges allow you to get an associate's degree or earn college credits before transferring to a 4-year school. Additionally, trade schools train you in specialized skills. Number 3, if you prefer to get right to work and start training immediately, perhaps an apprenticeship is right for you. I'll then scroll down and click Next. This page here will give us information about how to find and apply to jobs. Number 1, take advantage of free resources to get a jump start on your search. Number 2, advertise yourself to future employers with a personal website or LinkedIn profile. Number 3, always customize your resume to fit the job you're applying for, but be truthful about your abilities too. I'll then click Next again. This page here introduces some concepts related to college programs and preparation. Number 1, it's important to know that there's a lot involved in researching colleges, and it's a decision that will probably take a while to make. When reviewing schools, you want to first focus on ones that fit your personality. Number 2, if you need some help as you start your college search, consider using Edmit's college search tool. You can build a profile, add schools you're interested in, and get an idea of costs from our database. Number 3, College Scorecard is another useful online source where you can easily look up schools to find stats, average expenses, and easily compare multiple schools at once. If you'd like to learn more about how to create an Edmit College account, see the tutorial video linked in the description below. I've also included a link to the College Scorecard site in the description as well. I'll then go ahead and click Next. The final thing I'll share today is information about how to find non-college training and educational programs. Number 1, if you prefer to get right to work and start training under a knowledgeable tradesman, perhaps an apprenticeship is the right step for you. In this setting, you'll work in a paying job learning skills directly related to your future career, but you'll usually spend some time in the classroom setting too, where you'll learn some finer points of the trade. Number 2, to find nearby apprenticeships in the field of your choice, start with apprenticeship.gov. You can go here to learn more about how these programs work and find apprenticeship programs you're interested in. I've included this link to Career One Stop in the description as well. Number 3, you might want to look up the nearest American Job Center. These sites, which are run by the U.S. Department of Labor, help businesses find workers, and they can connect you with a local apprenticeship program. Once we're all set, we can go ahead and click Finish Stage 4. We've got one more message for you, and that is well done. You know your path, now follow through and pursue. You are done with the Stage 4 study session. You'll then be returned to your Edmit Career Pathfinder dashboard, and you will have completed all of the content we've laid out for you. However, that's not the end of the story. You can always continue to add and explore careers to your Edmit profile. You can change your selected lifestyle. And you can also use the resources we've linked out to previously to continue to make more decisions about your career. If you want to go back, you can click See All Stages and then even Expand All Stages to look for particular content from previous lectures. If you have any questions at all, you can always chat with our team by clicking on the picture of Sabrina, one of our co-founders, in the bottom right-hand side of your screen. Thanks so much for tuning in, and best of luck in the process. See you next time.